Hi, Chris Saunders here, Integrated Communications, creators of the ELD in a Box. And today I want to talk with you about investing in your drivers. Because when you invest in the right ELD, tablet mount, data plan, setup, all those things, you're actually investing in your drivers. I mean, we see this every now and then. We put a proposal out there, people look at it and they're like, it's a little too expensive. I think we're going to do it in-house. Well, let me tell you what happens when you do it in-house. Sure, you may be able to save a few dollars here and there, but you're experts at trucking. We're experts at mobility. We do things that make sure that your driver has the best experience with the technology that you get from us. So when you do it in-house and you cut some corners and the screens on the tablet start going out while the driver's going down the road, the driver's having a problem editing logs because the application keeps crashing, what do? You call us back and you're like, hey, we actually should have used you guys in the beginning. Can you help us? Well, let me tell you something. Once that technology's in the field, the ship has sailed. Those trucks are all over the country or all over the state. And then it's got to be planned. And then you got to bring those drivers through the maintenance shop. You got to pull everything out. You got to send it to us. We've got to stage it, kit it, get it set up the right way. We got to send it back to you. And then the truck's got to come through the maintenance shop the second time to do the install. So why do that? Why not invest in a system that is proven to give your driver a good experience? Driver turnover is directly connected to the driver experience. This technology is required for the driver to run the driver's day and your business. It's federally required. Why would you cut corners? Don't do that. I hear this all the time. We're losing drivers like crazy. It can cost you up to $12,000 every driver that walks out that door. Why do that? Help us help you save those drivers, give them the best experience in the cab of that truck where they spend almost all of their time using technology that they have to use to run their day, to run their business. Help us help you. Thank you so much for watching.